We are pleased to show you the 2019 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.